intro. I'll play it normal and then slow it down for you guys. Okay, let's slow that down. Slide into it, starting on the G string here, like this. But you want to bar the B string and the high E string so you can go right into the next part. Just listen with your ears. And then this part's kind of like a hammer-on, like that. And then you walk it back up. But it's a lot of hammer-ons and pull-offs. So yeah. I'm gonna do this again. And more hammer-ons and pull-offs. One more time. Sorry. Okay, and finish it up. Now I'll do that one more time. Try not to get hung up on the intro. Let's get the rest of the song figured out, and then you can always go back and try to understand what's going on with that. That's probably the most difficult part, besides there being a bunch of chords in the song. Let's take a look at those. I'll play the verse chords, and then we'll take a look at those. Just repeat, so let's look at those. And then, so you play that twice, and then we go into the chorus. So say if we're ending on this last chord here, this A, then we go into the chorus, play through that. Some chords are the same. So that's the first part of the chorus. Let's take a look at that. We already know this right here, B minor, and we're going to go here, or actually, yeah, do this again, and now we're playing something different, going here. Major 7. So what do we have so far? Okay, then I'm staggered by your beauty, that line in the song. I'm gonna go here. at normal speed. So if we go to the I'm Staggered by Your Beauty, it sounded like this. Okay, so now we're going to play the chorus the second time around, a little bit different. Right here. Confession. And then we go back into the verse. So if you notice, we change chords. Instead of going like the Staggered by Your Beauty, which was here, we just go back. That's the only difference. One more time. And then you do this little lick. Just a pull off. Okay. And so verse 2 is the same, chorus. So if we're talking about the bridge, it's chords we already know. I believe you're just kind of starting here. Just doing this chord. And then back to R1. You just play those twice. And then I think you just do like a kind of walk up of chords we already know. And then the key is going to change. We're actually going to go up, I believe, a whole step. So we're starting on this B minor. And we're actually going to go up to a C sharp minor and pretty much play the same things. So now we're just in a different key. So if you're wondering, how do we play this chord? Since it's that open E right there, all that is an E minor 7 to simplify it. So we're just going to take that up. So say if we're starting on that C sharp minor, we're just going to take that up to the F sharp. So I'll play through it. See that? Just went up a whole step. Same chords, just a whole step up. Alright, have fun with that one, guys.